Hey guys, welcome to Lacave-Insight. I'm Marcus, music producer, lighting director, programmer and official MA trainer. This is MA Quick Tips. In this video we are going to have a look for the, to me, most important hotkeys we need on GrandMA. So let's select some fixtures and then press Add. Now the fixtures are in the dimmer value on 100%. You can change this value if you want, but Add is very cool. The opposite is ... So if you press ... then it's going to 0. Add ... You also can press -, and -, is doing -10% here on the dimmer value. So -, 80, -, 70, -, 60%. The same on +. If you're going to press +, 70%, 80%, 90%. This is really helpful because you have all these buttons here on the same hand. So ... add, -, they're very helpful. There is also another helpful hotkey combination if you're holding the MA key and press dot. So what is it doing? Let's say we have this, for example, dimmer, tilt value, and some gobos, and a color value. And now you want to fully reset the fixture that it should go to default. So you simply hold down the MA key and press dot. And now you can see here in the command line it says default. And you say please. And now the fixtures are going to default. And here in the programmer you can see all the default values are set to the fixtures. This is also working just for one feature. So for example, you only want to, you have a color and you have a dimmer and a position, and you want to get rid of the color and set the default color of the fixtures. Then you're going here and say, hold MA and the dot, it's default, and now not pressing please, but now clicking here on the color button. Now you can see the color jumps back to the default color, but the dimmer and the position will stay. So thanks for watching, see you next time, bye bye.